the more you watch these monkeys, the more interested you get in them, and the more things that you see, the closer you look, not only in terms of their external behavior, but also their relationships with one another, their friendship patterns, their dominance hierarchies, and the biological characteristics that underlie them, and ultimately some genetic differences as well. This type of situation allows the monkeys to show us what they're capable of doing. Establish complex social relationships, show dramatic changes developmentally that are accompanied by changes in their hormonal levels, in their metabolism patterns as well. And we can look to see whether at least some of these patterns at the level of general principle are replicated in parallel studies going on with human children growing up in different social and physical settings. Rhesus monkeys are not furry little humans with tails. They're members of another, albeit closely related species, and you have to be careful about making direct comparisons on a point-by-point basis between rhesus and humans. But by studying development in this species in which it's accelerated relative to humans, and in circumstances where we can control many aspects of their environment, we can derive general principles that almost certainly apply to the human case. One principle is the importance of early social experience, how differences in the kind of relationship you have with your mother or a substitute mother can affect not only your behavior but your biology, and we now know even your gene expression. What happens when you move from one social situation, like a world that's basically centered around your mother and your kin, and start expanding your social arena to start including peers, individuals from other families, where relationships have to be negotiated, where differences that were not so important when they were with their mother suddenly become very important in terms of developing social skills. Are there ways that you can take individuals who are somewhat socially incompetent and get them back up to speed so that they can compete in the complex world that constitutes a rhesus monkey social environment? It's these, and when you do that, what are the biological consequences, and what are the consequences in terms of gene expression? This kind of situation and this kind of setup allows us to address those questions, and hopefully the results that we get and the principles that we derive will have important implications and applications at the human level.